Hi students, welcome again. It is Elimu Kiganjani. So we'll be solving this question. It's one of the questions in the topic of rates and variations, and here specifically you can see the exchange rates and so forth. So how do we solve this question? Mr. Onyago from Kenya visited Tanzania. He had 5,000 Kenya shilling and they wanted to change the money to US dollars. If $1 US was equivalent to 25,000 Tanzanian shillings. Okay, even though the number is not very realistic, it's okay. And Kenyan shilling is equivalent to 20 shilling. How much US dollars did he get? So actually we are converting 5,000 Kenyan shilling into USD. So here we go. We were given that 1 Tanzanian shilling, 1 Kenyan shilling equals to 20 Tanzanian shillings. So we have to change first this money into Tanzanian shilling, and we know that 1 Kenyan shilling is actually equivalent to 20 Tanzanian shillings. So if we have 5,000 Kenyan shillings, we have how much equivalence? So from this, we know that XC will be 5,000, you multiply by 20, and when you do that, actually you get 100,000 Tanzanian shilling. So now we have a task to change this amount into USD. We are given that 1 USD is equivalent to 25,000 Tanzanian shilling. So what about 100,000 shilling equals to how much USD here? So we are looking now for Y. By crossing multiplications, dear students, you'll be getting Y. You take 100,000 divided by 25,000. Eventually you get 4 USD. So the amount Mr. Onyago actually had is going to be converted to Tanzanian shilling, and Mr. Onyago will get $4. Thank you.